Which is the main point. But college life is also important to rural in the profession. But without the college life, we don't.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Fine. Good morning, team lead. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, my dear fellow mates.
Why are you so late today?
Today my scooty was punctured on the road, so I stood in the bus stop, and it was so late. The bus stop was very not hygienic, so I used to bus to come. In the bus, we know na how is the bus our APRTC as and our Chandrababu Naidu was a free bus, and it's the region. And today I was observed in the bus stop that I got an idea. Means I want to implement a project like a solar bus stop. What do you think
Nice
about?
idea. Maybe it has impacts of positive and negative also.
What do you think about the solar bus stop?
Solar energy can be very useful, and it reduces the power bills. Maybe it takes large energy to store solar panels and batteries.
But it was very useful to society also. And we will go with and pros and cons. What are the benefits of the and what are the negatives of the bus stop? Then we can conclude and we can implement a project. Then what is your problem with solar bus
Maybe
stop?
it takes high area to store the solar panels and batteries. And solar energy is very helpful in daily life.
Ah,
Also.
she said also
Maybe it
correct.
affects on rainy days which are very cloudy. No, it can't affect.
Because
Because raining where we store the solar panels.
we can use another any equipment, then we will store the heat energy. We store the heat energy when the rain was falling, then we use the stored heat energy to convert energy, means we can generate any electricity or
Let us compromise with one. Yes, decided as a team.
and it was very eco-friendly.
Yes, yes, you are right.
And
So let us implement one idea which is
useful. And we should every time we should give a good project that is very useful for the
daily life.
that is public also, and we should think about our public also, huh?
By using solar panels, we can save electricity in the future also, and we can reduce the power bills also. Yeah.
So let's pick the project and we will give to the manager, our manager, right?
Yes. Let us discuss tomorrow the time is.
Okay.
That's true. But you can see in colleges and financial arrangements,
Hi, we can only take 5 things to share with our marks and we need to negotiate.
Yes, let's choose the essentials first, like oxygen and water.
Yes, I agree, but we also need a shelter for protection.
Nah.
That's true.
Then it's 3 items. Should we take first aid kit?
Yes, it's important for some.
I wanted to eat also. Then let us compromise and essentials.
We can convince others to make the food and convince others to bring the food back, and purify water.
Okay, so we take oxygen, water, purified shelter, first aid kit, toolkit.
Great, we need to compare and compromise while negotiating.
Essential for survival on Mars.
Thank you, thank you. 25 KD 1804 or no? Register number. KD 180406.
25 KD 1A0403.
25 KD 1A0409.
Hi friends, today our topic is Mission Mars. Yes, it is a big challenge to survive in Mars.
Can I ask a question for you?
Yeah,
How to survive on Mars? Can you explain about that?
yes, it is a big challenge to survive in Mars, but we have some requirements to survive in Mars.
It is most thin and almost
Yeah,
CO2 is in.
it's a huge amount of CO2 is present in Mars.
What about oxygen?
We can carry some oxygen cylinders to survive in Mars.
And then what
Basic
about our food?
requirements. We can also travel and basic requirements are extra food and oxygen cylinders. Next, shelter also very important to survive in Mars. Okay. Next, oxygen tanks is very important. Extra food to survive. Next, there are so many basic requirements to survive in Mars, but it's too difficult to survive in Mars.
Actually, I think very like harmful atmospheres are there when compared to our Earth atmospheres.
Yes, it's having 1% of Earth. It consists of 1% of Earth in Mars. It's very yes, huge amount of CO2 but less amount of oxygen present in Mars.
That's why we carry oxygen
Some
cylinders.
yes, some requirements should be carried. Thank you.
Thank you.
ఆ బుక్స్ 25 KD 1A04 and 9.
25 KD 1804 4 and 3. Today we want to speak about the climate and how do we survive in Mars.
Can we live on Mars?
Yes, but we can live, but it is a very difficult to survive in Mars.
How to survive living?
We can live on Mars with oxygen, but there is a less amount of oxygen, and we have to carry oxygen cylinders to survive on Mars.
Can we stand on Mars like Earth?
No, because there is less gravity to Mars.
His taste is changed.
The weight will be changed of a person on Mars because the gravity. And it is the nearest planet to Earth.
Is cool like
It is very cool because the distance of Mars is far than the Earth from Sun. Thank you.